Ford Performance developed a Mustang GT3 race car to compete globally, and it will compete at Daytona in 2024. Now, Ford is returning in the factory-backed GT3 racing with the all-new Mustang GT3. Now, IMSA race car that will also be available for customers starting with the 24-hour of Daytona in 2024. Created by Ford Performance and Multimatic, the Ford Mustang GT3, powered by a 5.0-liter Coyote-based V8 engine, is going to deliver full endurance racing potential of a Ford Mustang for the customers globally. Now, Joey Hand, one of the winning drivers in the 2016 Le Mans 24-hour GTE Pro class in the Ford GT, will be the one to test drive this beautiful car you see here. And he's going to be in that new program too. The Daytona Beach, Florida. Yes. January 28, 2022. Ford Mustang, the iconic sports car that created the pony car segment, will lead Ford return to the global sports car racing as Ford Performance prepares a new GT3 race car for the competition in 2024. Ford Performance revealed plans for the all-new Mustang GT3 race car that will compete in the International Motorsports Association 2024 race season, including the 24 Hours of Daytona. The new Mustang efforts announced in advance of this weekend Rolex 24 at Daytona will be a joint program between Ford Performance and a long-time racing collaboration, Multimatic Motorsports. It will feature both a two-car factory-backed IMSA GTD Pro Works team managed by Multimatic, as well as customers' race car for the GTD class starting at Daytona in 2024. The Mustang was born to race from the start, and we're thrilled to introduce the GT3 version to compete head-to-head against some of the greatest manufacturers in the world, said Mark Rushbrook, Ford Performance Motorsport Global Director with 58 years of global endurance racing heritage, including NASCAR and Australian Supercar today. We are ready to take Mustang to the next level of global performance. Multimatic Motorsports is a perfect partner on this project for us, said Rushbrook. Not only have they worked with us to develop numerous customers' Mustang programs in the past, but it worked on the Ford GT program and the new Bronco DR custom race program. Has shown together we can provide championship level race programs to Ford and its customers. We're excited to work on this IMSA program as well as the GT3 customer program with Ford Performance, said Larry Holt, Executive Vice President of Multimatic Special Vehicle Operations. We have a long, great working relationship with each other, both on the highest level of professional sports car racing and in developing competitive customer race program and vehicles. We appreciate their faith in us, and together we can't wait to show the world what's coming down the road with the Mustang. The new Mustang GT3 Racer will be powered by a Ford 5.0-liter Coyote-based V8 engine, developed by Ford Performance and built by longtime racing collaborator and World Championship winning team, M Sport of Columbia, England. I say, Cumbria, England. The two organizations have a rich history in a FIA World Rally Championship. Recently collaborated on the development and preparation of the Ford Puma Hybrid Rally, which finished 1-3-5 in the debut race at the Monte Carlo Rally this past weekend. We're delighted in broadening the relationship with Ford and extending it into the racing world after a very successful 25 years together in a World Rally Championship, which is once again delivering stunning results with the Puma Hybrid Rally, said Malcolm Wilson, owner of the M Sport. M Sport has a wealth and depth of circuit racing knowledge and expertise, particularly from our GT3 program, that used the M Sport developed V8 engine for the GT3, powered by the victory of the 2020 Bathurst 12-hour race in the 2019 1,000 kilometer of Paul Ricard. Our most recent engine project has seen us become the official British touring car championship engine supplier, which also uses Ford engine architecture. Wilson added, "We are very excited about working directly with Ford Performance and Multimatic on the Mustang GT3. And we're working very hard, leaving no stone unturned. We join forces to fight more victories around the world." The race-specific power plant will continue the heritage of the high-performance naturally aspirated V8s. In the Mustang platform, the engine will carry the heart and soul of the world-renowned Ford Coyote and have performance and packaging modifications to make it a championship-ready for the world-class GT3 endurance racing. The new Mustang GT3 race car will feature bespoke short, long arm suspension, front and rear mounted transaxle gearbox, carbon fiber body panels, as well as a unique aero package developed to meet GT3 targets. Ford and Multimatic will make both factory-backed and customers-ready GT3 Mustangs available to teams from the start of 2024 season. Joey Hand, one of the winning drivers of the 2016 Le Mans 24-hour GTE Pro class and the Ford GT, is going to be the one test driver for the new program, as well as continuing on in his role as development driver and coach for the Ford Performance. And as a part of that, we will also be driving the NASCAR Cup road course race in 2022 in a Rick Rare Racing Ford Mustang. It's awesome to be on the ground floor of another amazing sports car program with Ford, said Hand. As much as I like to compete and win on the track, I also enjoy being a part of the development of a new race vehicle. Like this Mustang, we did a lot of testing with the Ford GT program, so it'd be great to be working again with a lot of the same people at the Ford Multimatic as we get this car ready for competition. This is awesome news, folks, and this is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Hey, this is A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Thanks for coming to the channel, and thanks for supporting this small channel. Much love. A Automotive Reviews.